Welcome to Mobile Car Mechanic. Today we're going to show you how to change the visors on this 2013 Honda Accord. This is going to apply from 2013 all the way to 2017, and all you're going to need is a flathead. Let's get to it. Alright, so the reason why we're replacing the visors is because of the fact that they just keep kind of like, I don't know, they just dangle. There's a lot of like looseness in it. So it's a very common problem. I'm going to do both sides. I'm going to do the passenger and the driver here. So let's go ahead and get started on that. What we need to do is there's going to be a clip back here that we're going to have to push in with a flathead screwdriver. So let's show you where that is. All right, so the clip is going to be right here on the swivel portion of the actual mount. So what you're going to do, our objective here is to push it in with a flathead screwdriver. So what we need to do is unhook the visor from the clip here. We're going to fold it down, pull it out, just give us a little bit of room. I'm going to do it at about a 45-degree angle. We're going to go push in with our flathead screwdrivers and try to see if we can get it off. You will struggle with it. I've been struggling with it for a little bit myself. So let's try it again. You might hit the horn while you're doing it too. But our objective is to get this to swivel. So I feel it pushing in, but it's not turning like it's supposed to. There you go. So now it's going to pull out. And there is an electrical connector for the lights in the mirror. So let's find out where we're going to disconnect it from. Okay, so there's a little tab here. Pinch it with your thumbnail. Then we're going to pull the visor off. Okay, so the aftermarket one that I ordered is slightly different. The fabric pattern is a little bit different, but I really don't care. But everything seems to be exactly the same as far as, you know, the mirror is concerned. Yeah, the connector looks exactly the same. So the clip that we were struggling with, which we have to push in here, is this guy. So we have to push that down and then twist this so that it allows us to put it back in place. Let's see if I can do that. Well, I have it in front of me. So I'm going to push this in, if I can, and then, actually I think I have to turn it at the 45-degree angle that I had the other one at. Okay, so you can see now it's unlocked. Now we're going to reconnect this electrical connector. It only goes in one way. You'll hear it click. Now there is a locator pin here that goes into this hole right there. So make sure you put that in there while you're tucking this in. I'm going to try to, well, I locked it in place, unfortunately, again, so. It was supposed to stay unlocked, but I twisted it, so let me go ahead and unlock it again. Okay, reconnect it. Let's see if we can get that pin in place now. Okay, once it's in place, just turn it all the way back to normal position. And it should lock in place. Let's make sure it hooks into that. And that's the driver's side. we're all done. All right, so I'm going to be replacing the passenger side visor because I did the driver's side already, and the pattern is a little bit different as far as the other side, the driver's side. So I want them to match. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and pull this down, unlatch it from the clip, give it about a 45-degree angle, and just pull it out. Now we're going to look for that pin, which is right here. You have to push it in with a flathead screwdriver. So push it in and then turn it. Hopefully it'll unlock, but it'll probably take a couple of tries because it took me a couple tries as well. Okay, once it's unlocked, it'll come down. Be careful, there is another electrical connector here for the lights in the mirror. And we have our tab here. Just gonna pinch it with our thumbnail, disconnect it. So this is our replacement visor. As you can see, the pattern is different from the original. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pull this out. I'm going to turn it till it points straight up. It's going to have some resistance to it. And then just like we had to do for the old one, there is that tab right here. We're just going to push it in, and I'm going to try to twist it with my hand here. Try not to hurt yourself. Okay, you'll know it's unlocked when it's able to turn. Now that we have it straight, I'm going to plug in the electrical connector here. Okay, we have a pin over here, locating pin. There is a hole right here, so we need to make sure that we stick this into that hole, and we're going to twist it until hold on, make sure it's all the way in. Something's stopping it from going in. So all right, so I tried to install this one, but it's not going to work out, unfortunately. So I'm just going to have two mismatched visors. I'm going to put the old one back in. The old one didn't really have any issues. I just wanted it to match. But since I have it here, we're just going to go ahead and show you how to reinstall it back with the old one. So just put the connector back into here. Okay. Tucked in the wire. Make sure that the locator pin is in there. Make sure it's nice and flat. And turn it until it locks. You'll hear that click. Push it back into place. That's it. We're done. Thank you for watching Mobile Car Mechanic. We just showed you how to replace the visor on this 2013 Honda Accord. Again, this is going to apply from 2013 all the way to 2017. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.